Hey there, fellow homeowners. Today, we're diving into something that could completely transform your living space: seamless home additions. You know that feeling when you walk into a newly renovated home and can't even tell where the original structure ends and the addition begins? That's exactly what we're talking about. Here at Wrona Construction, we have over 20 years of experience creating beautiful home additions throughout Montgomery County, Pennsylvania. We've helped countless homeowners turn their dream homes into reality. Let's break down what makes a truly seamless addition work. First off, it's all about harmony. Your addition shouldn't look like an afterthought. It should feel like it was always meant to be there. Whether you're adding a sunroom, expanding your kitchen, or creating a new master suite, the key is matching your existing home's character. Here's what you need to focus on for a flawless addition. The architectural style must match your current home. Materials should be identical or complementary to existing ones. Your roofline needs to flow naturally with the original structure. Windows and doors should maintain the same style and proportions. Now let's talk about popular architectural styles you might be working with. If you've got a colonial home, symmetry is your best friend. These homes love balance, so consider additions that maintain that clean, organized look. For Cape Cod homes, stick with those charming steep roofs and dormer windows. They're signature features you'll want to keep. Victorian homeowners, you've got some fun options. Your homes are known for those gorgeous, ornate details, so don't be afraid to get creative with decorative trim and colorful designs. And if you're working with a craftsman style, focus on natural materials and showcase that beautiful woodwork. It's what makes these homes special. Here's something many homeowners don't consider: your local building codes and neighborhood context matter just as much as style. Before you get too excited about design plans, make sure to check Montgomery County's specific requirements. Also, take a look around your neighborhood. Your addition should complement nearby homes while still meeting your needs. Planning your budget? Here's a pro tip: always set aside about 20% extra for unexpected surprises. Trust me, they happen even in the best planned projects. And think about your future needs. Are you planning to grow your family? Work from home more often? Make sure your addition can adapt with you. Let me share the 5 essential steps to kickstart your addition project. Number 1. Schedule a consultation to discuss your vision. Number 2. Work with professionals to create a design that fits your style. Number 3. Get a detailed cost estimate and timeline. Number 4. Begin construction with proper permits in place. Number 5. Finally, enjoy your beautifully expanded space. The best part? A well-designed addition can significantly boost your home's value, especially in competitive markets like Montgomery County. Buyers love homes that look cohesive and offer extra space without sacrificing style. If you're feeling inspired to start your own home addition project, we'd love to help. Drop a comment, we'll walk you through everything from initial design to final touches. Remember, your home is more than just a structure. It's where your life happens. Make sure any changes you make enhance both its beauty and functionality. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more home improvement tips and tricks. We'll see you in the next video.